Imagine generating electricity from wastewater using bacteria. Sounds futuristic, right? But this is a real technology called a microbial fuel cell or MFC. In this video, I will explain how this system works, the components involved, and why microbial fuel cells are becoming an exciting area in wastewater treatment and renewable energy research. So, at first, we have to know what is an MFC. So, a microbial fuel cell is a bioelectrochemical system that uses microorganisms to break down organic matter and produce electricity simultaneously. In simple words, bacteria eat organic waste present in wastewater and release electrons during their metabolic process. These electrons are captured to generate electric current. Okay, now I'm explaining this setup. Okay, so the MFC consists of two chamber, that is an anode chamber and a cathode chamber. Okay, so anode chamber is basically the left chamber. It contains wastewater, mi- microbial inoculum or bacteria, and the condition is here mainly anaerobic condition, and meaning there is no oxygen. Inside this chamber, bacteria degrade mainly organic matter. The electrode used here is a carbon cloth electrode, which is called basically the anode. And in cathode chamber, there is a, it contains, it is the mainly right chamber, and it contains cathodite solution, and there is the aeration is there, that is oxygen is present. So this chamber is aerobic, meaning oxygen is mainly present here, and the electrode here is called the cathode. Okay, now let's coming to proton exchange membrane, that is PEM. Okay, so between both chambers we can see there is a proton exchange membrane or PEM, usually made up of naphion. We can use another materials also. So mainly it allows proton or hydrogen ions to move from the anode chamber to the cathode chamber while separating the liquids. Okay, now let's understand, you know how electricity is produced, basically the working principle. Okay, so at anode chamber, bacteria consume organic matter present in wastewater. During this process, electrons are released, protons are released, carbon dioxide is produced. Okay, so the electrons can't actually cross the membrane, that is the PEM membrane. Okay, so they travel through the external wire and resistor. Okay, this movement of electrons creates electric current. At the same time, protons move through the protons move through the protein exchange membrane. Okay, toward the cathode chamber. In cathode chamber, oxygen combines with electrons and protons to form the water. The overall process converts chemical energy from wastewater into electrical energy. Now let's discuss about the voltage and resistor. Okay, here you can see a multiplier connected with an external resistance of 1000 ohms. This multiplier shows the voltage generated by the microbial fuel cell. In this setup, we can see the voltage is around 0.68 volts. Although the voltage is small, it demonstrates successfully electricity generation using bacteria. Now let's come to the performance parameters. So researchers evaluate MFC performance using several parameters such as voltage, current, power density, COD removal efficiency, Coulombic efficiency, pH, and conductivity. COD removal tells us how effectively wastewater pollutants are removed, and this technology not only treats wastewater but also recovers energy from wastes. So what's the application mainly? So microbial fuel cells have exciting future applications in sustainable wastewater treatment. We can say renewable bioelectricity generation, biosensors, remote environmental monitoring. So although large-scale commercialization still faces challenges like low power output and high material cost, ongoing research is making this technology more efficient and practical. This is why MFCs are becoming an important topic in environmental biotechnology and bioelectrochemical system research. So now, okay, so this is the short video. If you enjoyed this explanation, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more videos on environmental biotechnology, wastewater treatment, and innovative research technologies. Thanks for watching.